Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Nacho Dad, and this is going to be part 2 of working on Billy Nelson for our Tennessee Gambler 500 race truck. This is the old 84 Toyota. As you can see, we've already jacked up the front suspension. We did that on the last video. I built this roof rack, light bar, air horn conglomeration for it. Back you up here. I don't have all the wiring done yet. I'm waiting on some stuff to come in for it. So we got the light bar up there. Got a 30-inch LED light bar and two 55-watt 7-inch Harbor Freight Specials. The old Harbor Freight Special air horn and old street sign there. It's just big enough to hold my beer cooler, so perfect. We've got the tow strap holder secured, the tactical beer cooler secured. We're thinking we're going to mount a couch or something back here to have a cool place to sit. And then today we've come through, we've installed these massive ass shackles, jacked up the back of it about 3 inches. We're still looking for some wheels and tires, so hopefully we can get those this week. If not, we'll run what we got. We don't care. Circular around the front. We've got we went and got parts for our snorkel. It's going to come through here and go up. Pop the hood and I'll show you what that is. That there is what my brother has nicknamed the lunchbox. It's got a perfect cutout to fit on the carburetor top. Don't mind the piece of wood. We lost the clip that holds the choke on, so we gotta get a new one of those. So he built this out of diamond plate and cut it out. Be a perfect fit with a 3-inch pipe. And we got some 3-inch PVC and some rubber pipe. We're gonna go through the fender and then out, up, and somewhere, probably in here. That way we can put the filter back behind everything and try to keep it out of the way. Part 3 will be all the wiring. There's a few things I'm not going into on this video that if I can get the parts in time to make them work, we're going to get the parts on it and make it work. That's pretty badass. I love that. It's drilled all the way through for the bolts. Actually, I got to take that off with me. Because we got to start this thing and move it. And forget about that, we'll run it over. Not that I think it's going to hurt it, but I don't want to hurt the truck. So we got our massive janky shackles on it. We got the air horns on the roof bar. Still trying to find some good 14s. If I can't find them, we're going to get some 15s. Interior, we've done nothing. That's always good. I've messed around with it. She starts way better now. Let's see if we can start it. So she runs way better. I guess on the next video, I'll have the wiring done, so we'll go over the lights and the horn, and if I have everything else done, we'll go over all the stuff. But I think we're just about ready to go on the Gambler. Pretty close. We just got to get some tires and do a little wiring. But alright guys, that's it for this video. We'll see you on the next one.